Hello everyone. Today we will try to discuss the accounting for not non-profit organization. Under it first I will tell you about the format of the receipt and payment account. You know the receipt side will be in the debit side and then payment side will be in the credit side. Means as your business whatever you will receive you should be debited, and if whatever you will pay you should credit it. In receipt side first you will go with the opening balance. You will do the entry of the opening balance of cash and even opening balance of the bank. You should record it in a receipt side. Then you should go with the revenue receipts, like you got the subscription, then you got the entrance fee, you got the general donations, you got the grant in aid, or even you will get the sale of old newspaper and any of the amount. Then even any investment, and on that you will get the interest, you will record in the receipt side. Even the dividend, if any received will be there, you should be record in the debit side. Even locker rent you should be record in the debit side. Rent received, sundry receipts, these all will be come into the block of the revenue receipts. You will see on the screen it will be written. Then you will go with the capital receipts. In a capital receipts, you have the life membership fees, you have the donation for a specific purpose, you have the legacies, you have the endowment fund, you have the sale of fixed assets, you have the sale of investment, you have the receipt for a specific purpose or fund, you have interest on a specific fund for the investment. Then you should be go with that. Now, see, after the receipt, you have a need to record the payments, and it is the credit side of your receipt and payment account. Then first, if you have any of the overdraft balance, you should record it. Then you should be go with the revenue payments. In that you should be go with the salaries, rent paid, electric charges, postage, rent and taxes, insurance, advertisement, telephone charges, entertainment expenses, audit fees, repairs, upkeep of ground, conveyance charges, newspapers and periodicals, office expenses, gardening expenses, sundry expenses. These all will be come into the revenue expenditure, revenue payments. Then you should be recorded into the payment side. Then the capital payments, then the fixed assets if you will purchase, then investment, then repayment of loan, and then at last the balance, that is like a closing balance. Okay, that is a cash in hand and cash at bank if anything, or otherwise it will be in a balancing form. Suppose your payment will be more and receipt will be less, then you have the balance in the receipt side, that is calling the closing balance for the bank overdraft. That is the format. Now come to the numerical for the receipt and payment. Okay, the first question you will see, from the following particulars relating to Shyamji Charitable Society, prepare a receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2019. C. The cash in hand on 1st April 2018, that is 16,000. The cash at bank as on 1st April 2018, that is 28,000. The subscriptions including 11,000 for 2017-18, and then total subscription is 60,000. Donations for building, that is 2,90,000. Miscellaneous expenses 98,000. Locker rent 32,000. Entrance fees 41,000. Now see the solution for that. You have a need to make the receipt and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2019. In a receipt side, first you will go with what? The opening balance of cash and bank. That is, you have 16,000 and 28,000. Then you see the receipt side, in a debit side, cash in hand and cash at bank. Then after you see subscription, that is 60,000. So even this subscription you got it. Even the 2017-18 also, then 60,000 you should be record here. Then even the locker rent, now see, you will get the locker rent and then it will be the receipt for you, then 32,000 you should be record. Then you have the donation for the building, it's your payment, then you should be record in donation for building is what your receipt, then it will be recorded in a receipt side. Then your miscellaneous expenses, that is a 98,000, that is your expenditure. Then locker rent, even already we recorded. Then entrance fee, it's your receipt. Now the credit side and the debit side you have, means the receipt is having the 16, 28, 60,000, 32,000, 41,000, and 2 lakh 90,000. And payment side you have only 98,000. Then your receipt is more than your payment, then whatever the balance will be there, it will be in the side of the payment, that is the closing balance for cash and bank. Then your debit side total is a 4 lakh 67,000, your credit total is a 98,000, then difference will be just 3 lakh 69,000. Okay, I hope it's clear to you how to make the receipt and payment account for the accounting of not or non-profit organization. Okay,